Junction.com. In this video, I'm going to show you, we are going to explore more about WordPress, its pros, its cons, and other stuff in WordPress, what you can do, what you can't. So, without wasting further time, let's get started. So, first of all, open MAMP and start the Apache server and MySQL server. I've already told you. Uh, Apache server contains WordPress files, which is in my htdocs folder, my WordPress files, and MySQL server contains my database. And okay, so I've already started both the servers, MySQL and Apache. You can see here both are ticked. So let's just enter this localhost colon 8888 port. This is the dashboard of what we have created earlier in the video WordPress website. Okay, so I haven't add any post or any pages, so this is default what we get from the default WordPress. So this is hello world simple default post which we will get from the default WordPress when we install it. So let's log in into the panel dashboard, type wp admin, press enter, or you can also add wp login.php /login.php. Same, both are same. So I've already logged in, so it didn't ask for me the password. So you have to log in through your password you have used earlier. So this is the dashboard. You can see dashboard. Here are some plugins, appearance, contacts. These are all already installed plugins, just like Box, Contact. Uh, these plugins are installed from the we have installed the theme, so they come with that theme. So yeah, this is theme. This is the current theme, and all these plugins come from it. So if you deactivate all these plugins, then your site front end will not look like the same as we can see now in demo. So install all the themes, install all the plugins which they prefer, this theme prefer. Okay, so here you can see plugins. The three options: install plugins, add new, plugin editor. So you can see install plugins, you can add new plugin, and in plugin editor you can edit the plugin, but it's not for the newbie beginners. It is for the developer who WordPress developers or plugin developers. So yeah, here you can see asking for update. So tick plugin, tick here plugin, all plugins will be checkbox will be ticked, and here an update, choose the option update and apply. This will apply to all which needs update. So you have to wait until all update will finish, otherwise it will be stop if you change the page. So we have to wait for it. And let's in the upcoming next video I'm going to take the backup and migrate this website to live server to see on the internet on live. So you need a domain name for that and a WordPress hosting. So I've already written a post about cheap WordPress hosting you can buy. Let me show you. I will provide the link in the description. where it is. Yeah, here. Looking for cheap and WordPress web hosting. So here are some list: Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, InMotion Hosting, Dream. These all are recommended by, not all, but some are recommended by WordPress itself. It is the best WordPress hosting. So you can buy any one of it. I recommend Bluehost. It's very fast and provide reliable web hosting. But if you are a new buy and you don't want to buy right now, so you can have free WordPress hosting. Even there are some free WordPress hosting which are good enough for new website blogs, which don't get high traffic, 50,000 clicks or visits per day. So you can um try free also, but they are not reliable. They can suspend your account anytime if they want. They can uh, just, if you cross the limitations, its limit their limitations, then they will suspend your account. So it's not reliable, but for a new website it's okay. If you want to learn about cPanel, or just you want to see how it works, so you can buy free, sorry, you can get free WordPress hosting. I am writing a post about it. Some free WordPress hosting which I've already tried personally. So one by one I've listed about nine, maybe 9 or 10 I will list. And also I have tried all of them, nine. So only those WordPress hosting I am covering on in that post. So I will share everything what I know about their WordPress hosting, or anything pros cons. It's so you can read and take any of it, use any of it. Okay, so maybe all update finished. So let's explore more about WordPress. So go to setting in here have option general, writing, reading, discussion and other stuff. So setting is like word yeah, your setting of your WordPress website, like site title which you have gave earlier, you can change it. Tagline, you can add some tagline. Yes, WordPress URL, but it must be your domain name. Don't include S in here if you don't have SSL certificate. If you don't know what SSL, I will cover in the upcoming video how to get free SSL certificate and redirect HTTP to HTTPS secured version of website. And this local host will be replaced by a domain name once we will migrate to live server. Till now it will be localhost colon 888 port. This is the port number which we are hosting on, and it is localhost. So this is our local server. Okay, so other subscriber, site language and other stuff. Writing. So is writing mail server. If you have any mail server, like you have to need when we migrate to live server, then you can add here your email. Okay, so let's get back to the dashboard. Is the media. So I've already told you how to add plugins, how to install themes, delete themes, activate, deactivate, and even customize. So I have already covered in the last videos about this. So in this video I am going to show you more about customization, how you can customize a theme, but it's basic. You can even also do it on your own. So this is, yes, site identity. You can change site identity, add your logo, then your logo will be appear here instead of name. Colors, header image if you want to add image here, background image if you want to add background image, widget sidebars. In here you can add your own widgets. So customization will work when you have some content on your website. So this is the default. So I haven't added any post pages, so it might look like this if we don't add pages and posts. So in upcoming videos I will show you how to migrate. So so let's get back to the dashboard. You have to just click on cross. If you have made any changes, you can publish, save draft the changes. Okay, so here's the users. If you want to add users in your this WordPress website, like you have SEO developer or any plugin editor, someone or anyone, you can see there the SEO editor, SEO manager, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. So uh, here you have the role of administrator. So you can add any username, add any one and role. So role might affect the look of dashboard. Just if you have SEO editor, then it might show only some plugins and some options to add SEO changes, made changes in SEO stuff. So choose rule regarding what you want in your website if you want to add any user. So let's get back to the dashboard. So here's the media. You can add photos, images, videos which you will show on your website. Pages, comments. If someone comment on your post, then it will gonna show here. It's gonna show here like this. So and if it will be a spam comment, then it's will be in the spam. If you delete the comment any errors in the spam, it will show up here in the trash. And if you approve any comment, then it will be in the approve section like this. It's already approved. This is the default come with the WordPress itself. So it's approved, it's in the approved section. If pending, if someone comments on your post, and then we're gonna show here pending, and you have to approve or disapprove it if you want, or you can even just make it trash. So uh, it's also that this is it. I've told you all about the basic about the WordPress. So you will get experience when you will explore on your own. So this is it in the for the video, and this is basic. So in upcoming video I'm going to migrate, show you how you can take backup manually as well as from a plugin, and then install that take that backup and upload on the live server, uh, and then we will see our website live in the internet when we add just like this. Enter our domain what you have purchased. I will show you how you can connect your domain to the server. So if you buy a server, then you will get to name servers for DNS. Then after buying domain name, you have to add those name server there, then your domain will be pointing that your domain will point the server. And then if you upload and all goes well, then you can see your WordPress websites on that domain like this. But you will see HTTP HTTP version of your website, not HTTPS. I will cover it how you can redirect your website HTTP to HTTPS with a valid certificate. So, but now uh, almost every, you can say, hosting gives you free SSL certificate. So if you want, you can use Cloudflare SSL, or you can use their own, which you will get free of course from the hosting itself. It's depends on you, but I prefer Cloudflare because it's also provide protection, uh, protection from bots and other stuffs. So I use Cloudflare and I also recommend Cloudflare for that. And Cloudflare don't charge for it any for SSL for providing protection. So